Students, get ready for phrasography dictation. These are the special shipping phrases. Ready. Advances against shipment. Advances on acceptance. Bill of lading in set of 4. Board of Trade Regulations. Cable exchange rate. Captain's receipt for documents. Case of total loss. Cash against bill of lading. Chamber of Commerce. Charter party. Constructive total loss of cargo. Consular invoice. Cost insurance and freight. Documents of title. Endorsed and confirmed. Errors and omissions expected. Foreign general average. Free of general average. Free on rail. Free on board. London office of the bank. Marine Insurance Act. Marine Insurance Policy. Merchant Shipping Act. Nature and cause of damage. Not responsible for the damage. Port of London Authority. Remit draft on Paris. Remit proceeds of bill. Salvage charges. Shipping documents enclosed. Telegraphic codes. To be approved by the underwriters. Value to be declared. Voyage policy. Weight subject to correction. York Antwerp rules. So students, these are the shipping phrases. Practice as much as you can. This is from the Pitman Shorthand Instructor and Key, page number 251. Thank you. Hello students. These are the some technical phrases like electrical and engineering. So get ready for dictation. Alternating current. Automatic apparatus. Bessemer steel. Block signal. Civil engineer. Combustion chamber. Current density. Discharge resistance. Discharge chamber. Earth currents. Eddy currents. Electric current. Electrical engineer. Energy current. Energy resistance. Exhaust valve. Free charge. Heating apparatus. High resistance. High voltage. Induction coil. Lever and weight. Safety valve. Low pressure cylinder. Low voltage. Mechanical stokers. Monophase generator. No voltage attachment. Pressure gauge. Primary battery. Primary coil. Primary currents. Railway engineer. Residual charge. Resistance board. Resistance of copper circuits. Rotary converter. Rotary transformer. Secondary coil. Secondary current. side feed lubricator, spring balance, safety valve, vacuum brake, water cooling plant. Thank you, students. These are the in electrical and engineering phrases from Pittman Shorthand, Instructor and Key, page number 255.